Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. We are here in Metro Manila, right across the street from the main airport, which people call it NAIA. This is a section called Newport City. It is pretty new. 10 years ago, 12 years ago, when I first came to the Philippines, there was really nothing here. I mean, there was some squatter housing, but that was about it. So I'm staying up here in this building, 150 Newport Boulevard is the name of the building. And on the ground floor, there's a McDonald's over there. Lawson is a convenience store. You'll find those all throughout Asia. Barbecues. S&R, New York style pizza. S&R is a Costco style warehouse store. But their food is so popular that they've opened these little mini branches with just the pizza, chicken, and all that stuff. So you can eat there. You don't need a membership like you do in the full warehouse. And there are plenty of S&Rs in Metro Manila, in Cebu, Davao, a lot of the major cities in the Philippines. I got McDonald's crosswalk. It's pretty interesting. Korean barbecue. No, you won't get coronavirus if you go eat in there. It's silly what they're doing. People are avoiding Chinese restaurants, Korean restaurants because of the coronavirus. But most of the food is locally sourced, so it's not really an issue. A place to learn English. That is a franchise, I believe. There are a lot of hotels here in this little neighborhood. At a Starbucks. If I had a car, there's a parking garage there. That guy on a motorbike is motorbike taxi called Angus. You order it on your smartphone like an Uber back in the States. They come right to you. The fares are pretty reasonable. Just to show you the contrast, here's a Filipino neighborhood right over there. That's just right outside of Newport City. So you got these swanky condos, and then you got your typical Filipino neighborhood over there. And that's what this whole area used to look like before all these condos went up in the last decade. These condos are not cheap. I believe around 600 bucks for the cheapest studio condos. But walking around this neighborhood, you don't see the usual people asking for money or anything like that. Security pretty much takes care of that in this neighborhood, in my neighborhood in Cebu City. Here's a laundromat, quick clean. A lot of people like to live here because of that's a lot less, the proximity to the airport. And I'll show you why here in a few minutes, why this neighborhood is so great. Pot. This is a Philippines bakery chain. You'll find them all over the Philippines. A lot of the locations are open 24 hours, so if you need a cake at 2 a.m., there you go. So even in this neighborhood, you have tricycles. It's one way to get around. Condo complex. These condo complexes typically have pools in the center and all the residential buildings surrounding them. They're typically closed 1 day a week for maintenance. Salon, massage chain. So there's a little bit of everything in this neighborhood. Want to get your nails done, there you go. I talked about Watson's before in previous videos. They are like CVS and Walgreens in the States, pretty much the same products. Look at this crosswalk. It's like a piano. There's a church here that kind of predates this neighborhood. Yesterday it was rocking and rolling. Flower shop. You see where it says Runway Manila? That's how we get to the airport from this neighborhood. There's a footbridge. Unfortunately, I won't be able to take you on the footbridge. There's 2 sets of security and it just wouldn't work for the video. But I will show you where the entrance is. Belmont Hotel. So tomorrow morning, I need to catch a flight back to Cebu. So I will be walking here from my my condo, and I'm going to use this footbridge. It's very convenient because before you'd have to take a taxi, and with all the traffic in Manila, that could take a while. Where this bridge is a lot more convenient. This is also a transit center for the buses that go to Resorts World. It's a major casino here in Metro Manila, just opened several years ago. They also got a free shuttle service around Newport City. So instead of walking like I am, you can get a free shuttle to go around. So basically you're gonna go through these doors, you're gonna go up to, you're gonna go through security, go up on the bridge, and then go through another security check after you cross the bridge. And they got the shuttle schedules here. Alright, we'll continue this in part 2. For Asia Unscripted, this is Jason, and I'll see you guys in part 2.